Hello friends, welcome to blogsbuzz.com. In this video, I telling you how to earn money through freelancing. Its video is a complete guide how to make money with freelancing. Freelancing marketing is a self-employed role where a professional helps clients with their marketing needs such as creating content, analyzing data or developing strategies and more. Top platforms for finding freelancing work. First, Upwork. Upwork, one of the largest platforms ideal for all types of freelancers. Second, freelancer.com. Freelancer.com, popular for various types of work from design to data entry. Third, Fiverr. Fiverr offers gigs in diverse categories and this popular for quick jobs. Fourth, TopTal. TopTal is a premium platform for experienced professionals in high-paying niche. For more details to go on blogsbuzz.com website and get your queries. Thanks for watching video and share with friends.